Hi guys, it's Ice DMND, and for today's video, we're gonna do the Get to Know Me tag. So let's start. Number 1, I'm John Isaac Makatumpag, and that's my full name. Number 2, I'm 14 years old girl. Number 3, my birthday is February 17, 2003, kaya kung re-regaluhan nyo ako, make sure na maganda. Pero natanggap ako na regalo talaga, kahit everyday. Number 4, I'm a pure Filipino, not half-blooded, not half-breed. Half-breed. Number 5, I'm studying at St. Joseph's Academy, Las Piñas. And you should enroll there. Sobrang ganda to. Hindi naman sobra, pero maganda. Pero dream ko mag-aral sa Brent International High School. Actually, yung Brent International School, actually yung lolo ko, dun siya nagtatrabaho as a chef. So, mga kinakain ni Donnie, yung mga kinakain ni Donnie, luto yun ng lolo ko. And number 6, my favorite food, I'm a potato lover, and girl, sobrang sarap ng mga potato fries and mojos and mashed potato. Lahat yon, favorite ko yon. 7 likes. My likes are traveling, mountaineering, mga friends new people, and I like swimming, swim at the beach. Yon. Number 8, dislikes. I dislike people who are pabida. Mga pabidang tao, mga fake people showing fake love to me. Yes, girl. Number 9, favorite Viner / YouTuber. Si Bretman Rock. Oh my God, sana manotice niya ako kahit isang beses man lang, kahit sa Twitter or Instagram or YouTube, mentioning me on his own video. Number 10, favorite place is Cebu. Girl, gusto kong bumalik sa Cebu kasi sobrang ganda ng mga beaches, and you should try canyoneering kasi akit kayo ng habal-habal, using habal-habal, and tatalon kayo pababa gamit ang mga falls, and sobrang saya ng experience, as in pwede mo na yung gawin habang buhay at solve ka na sa buhay mo. Number 11, my hobbies. Isa lang ang hobby ko, ang mag-mountaineer, at actually 5 bundok na yung naakyat ko. Number 12, goals in life is to be a billionaire. Gusto ko maging bilyonaryo para wala na akong problema sa buhay. Although kahit may billionaire ka, marami kang problema, pero ako, i-enjoy ko lang yung life ko sa mamatay ako. Yun lang. Number 13, nickname, I'm Ice. Sometimes they call me Ice, tapos ICE, then /AYS, yung mga ko kapag sa chat, AYS yung tawag sa akin. And kaya DMND because stands for Diamond. And Diamond is unbreakable, girl. Except, 1 diamond is to 1 diamond. Tapos, yung isa't isa kapag maaari nilang i-break yung diamond sa isa't isa. Bawal ibang stone, diamond to diamond lang, kaya nilang wasakin ng isa't isa. Number 14, why did you start vlogging? Because I want to express myself and I want to make other people happy. Yay! Number 15, zodiac sign. My zodiac sign is Aquarius, girl. Sino mga Aquarius dito? Comment down below. Number 16, favorite colors. Pastel colors like this. Pink. Pastel pink. I got it from Culture Tea, and this from SM Accessories. Girl. Number 17, talent. My talent is dancing. Girl, dancing. Like, hit the ball, stop. Don't stop. Pero hindi ako nagda-dance sa school kasi nahihiya ako. Di ba dapat pag dancer hindi nahihiya? Pero ako nahihiya. Pero one time nag grade 8 ako nung pinasayaw nila ako ng Ignition and sumayaw naman ako. Bongga ako dan. Girl, sa mga klase ko dyan, kung nanonood kayo, subscribe to my channel and give it a thumbs up. And palaganap nyo tong channel ko. I love you. Ganito. Hey! Shoutout kay Hannah Salazar kung manonood ka man dahil kanina mo pa hinihintay yung mga videos ko. Number 18, my best friends, lahat, sila Hannah Salazar, si Darlene Lapaz, Angela Amiga, Arabella, Anika, Mika, Kyla, Chelsea, Gwen, and other. Dito, Princess Nessie Abigail. Hi sa inyo! Subscribe to my channel. And number 19, things that annoy me is yung kapag bad trip ako, lalo mo pa akong babad tripin. And mababad trip talaga ako sa'yo kasi bad trip na ako, babad tripin pa ako. Gets? Number 20, favorite song is I'm Gonna Love You Inside Out. Let me see the dark side as well as the bright. Gonna love you inside out. Tama na. Number 21, things that I love is my family, my friends, and especially God. Number 22, middle name. My middle name is Makunan and I got it from my mom. I got it from my mom. Number 23, favorite subject is science as well as math. Kahit nung grade school ako, di ako masyado marunong sa math. Pero ngayon, marunong na ako medyo. Number 24, fab or glam? I choose both because Bretman Rock is both fabulous and glamorous. Sobrang idol na idol ko talaga siya. Kaya Brett, kung nanonood ka man ngayon, please, i-notice mo ko. Number 25, Bretman Rock or Patrick Star? Girl, as obvious, kung pwedeng both. Pero kung sino mas malamang, si Bretman Rock. Yes, bitch. And galit na galit siya kapag traffic and kapag yung, di ba may sarili na siyang car, kapag may nag-overtake or green lights, she saw me waiting for 5 minutes. Like that. She saw me waiting for 6 to 5 minutes. And she didn't go to her fucking lane. Ganon. Solo ko siya. And I think that's 25. And it's enough because 7 minutes na. Mag-8 minutes na. So, if you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up. And please subscribe to my channel. And thank you guys. I love you. Hey.